Art is supposed to make you feel something, and this OSha sign definitely meets that criteria. So let's use a 3D printer to turn it into fake stained glass. First step, ask Google Gemini to turn it into stained glass. Next, ask Google Gemini to remove the background color, or you could use photo editing software to do this. Take that image over to GIMP, a free photo editing software, and select Tools from the top ribbon. Then select Selection Tools, then Color Select. Select the white and copy that to the clipboard. Create a new blank dock with a contrasting background color. I chose black. Paste your selection from the previous step into the dock and save it as a JPEG file. Google search JPEG to SVG converter. You might have to try multiple, but just keep on trying until one works for you. Convert and download the SVG file once it looks good. Open up Fusion and insert the SVG into a drawing. There is a free hobbyist version of the Fusion software if you need it. Then you will extrude the drawing and add the alignment holes or studs if you decide to go that route. There are many tutorials online for Fusion if you need them. Export the file as a STL or another 3D model format for your slicer to 3D print it. I used transparent 3-ring binder separators that had a tint of color to add some color in between the two skeletons of the stained glass that we 3D printed. The two surfaces that we 3D printed made together by the studs and holes you can see here. There is enough friction that holds in place, but you might want to glue them. Here is the final result. That concludes this video. Hopefully I've earned a like, share, or subscription. It really helps out the channel if you do. If you enjoyed this video, you may enjoy one of these videos as well. Let me know how I'm doing in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.